finished a little bit too late, so I am heading back to the office right now, and I have the mystery box with me. We are going to go ahead and, well, once I get to the office, I'm going to set up the camera and record it for you guys. I went ahead and I read the text, and it mostly talks about big data collection and things like that, so it makes no sense. I have literally no idea what's inside. So give me a minute, I'll set up, and then we'll find out what's this mystery about. See you guys in a minute. Hey guys, so we are back at the office and I have the box. So I looked through it and there's not much about it that I can tell you guys. Right now it's talking just about, right here you can read a little bit if you can read it. It's talking about recruiters and big data and how companies like get your information and such. So, but Tony is actually very angry, so I do not know what's going on. Aside from that, on the top, side, back, there's nothing. Just white with yellow tape. And on the bottom, we can see there's another paper attached to it. So before I open it, I'm going to see what the paper on the bottom is. So here we are, taking it off. And some sort of notes. So this one is talking about related to Tokyo Olympics and how, yeah, so it's talking about like the marathon and Tokyo Olympics and stuff like that. The kanji is actually very difficult for me to read. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. I have no idea really what's going on, so I will give it another look later on. But I know you guys are interested in the package, so let's see what it is. So I'm gonna remove the tape real quick, right here, and I can see. I think you guys are gonna be slightly underwhelmed, but I had no idea what this is. So it is surprisingly snacks. That's why the machine was cool. It says Chocobato. Chocobat. I've never seen this snack before actually. Mini size. So it says Chocobat mini size. And yeah, it's what it is. It's a snack. Seems like a snack. Here you can see like the different flavors of it. The other side, some nutrition value. And yeah, that's it. They're not stale. You're able to read them up to 420 of next year, coincidentally. So the meme, at least we got a meme out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna open up the snack and give them a taste. Shouldn't be stale though. That's pretty good. So here's one. This is Chocobat, mini Chocobat. There's a slightly different one. We got, it's actually different. I thought it was the same. And two more that are like the third one. So we got 3 of these and 2 of these. I don't know what else is inside, so yeah, there's nothing. So I paid 600 yen for 5 chocobats and a very, very angry message. Well, 2 very angry messages. But I hope that you guys like the mystery, and if I see anything else, I will let you guys know. See you in the next one.